Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python Turtle, only ways. Open a code editor and run simple turtle commands to draw shapes immediately, practicing each concept. Start with import turtle, create a screen and a turtle, and focus on motion, turns, and loops. Repeat small exercises for muscle memory and build tiny projects like a star or spiral to connect commands with visuals. Break problems into tiny tasks and master one concept at a time, starting with movement, then loops, then functions. Practice writing reusable draw functions for shapes and combine them into scenes. Try parameterizing size, color, and position to build flexible code. Use the screen tracer and update calls to control animation and debug by isolating commands until they behave as expected for production. Choose playful projects that motivate you and map each feature to specific turtle commands. Sketch the desired output, then implement one function at a time, testing as you go. Combine drawing, animation, and user input to make interactive examples. Share your code in communities to receive suggestions and iterate on feedback. Keep projects short and fun to maintain momentum and solidify concepts through repetition and creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.